Welcome to my e-portfolio. Table of Contents. 1. Content knowledge and pedagogy. 2. Learning environment. 3. Diversity of learning. 4. Curriculum and planning. 5. Assessment and reporting. 6. Community linkages and professional engagement. 7. Personal growth and professional development. First domain. Content knowledge and pedagogy. It composed of 7 strands. Content knowledge and its application within and cross curriculum areas. Research-based knowledge and principles of teaching and learning. Positive use of ICT. Strategies for promoting literacy and numeracy. Strategies for developing critical and creative thinking, as well as other higher order thinking skills. Mother tongue, Filipino, and English in teaching and learning. Last is classroom communication strategies. Second, learning environment consists of 6 strands. Learning safety and security, fair learning environment, management of classroom structure and activities, support for learner participation, promotion of purposive learning, and management of learner behavior. Third, diversity of learners consists of 5 strands. Learners, gender needs, strengths, interests, and experiences. Learners' linguistic, cultural, socio-economic, and religious backgrounds. Learners with disabilities, giftedness, and talents. Learners in difficult circumstances, and learners from indigenous groups. Fourth, curriculum and planning includes 5 strands: planning and management of teaching and learning process, learning outcomes aligned with learning competences, relevance and responsiveness of learning programs, professional collaboration to enrich teaching practice, and teaching and learning resources including ICT. Fifth, assessment and reporting is composed of 5 strands: design, selection, organization, and utilization of assessment strategies, monitoring and evaluation of learner progress and achievement, feedback to improve learning, communication of learner needs, progress, and achievements to key stakeholders, and use of assessment data to enhance teaching and learning practices and programs.
Let's continue, and sa formula ito, kung gusto niyo malalaman, if you want to know na kung ano yung the difference of the point A and point B doon sa na-explain ko yung last, di ba yung value ng point B is, yung point A is 5 and yung point B is 10. So dito, ito di ba yung formula is PB is equals to HB rho or yung dip, tapos gravity, then plus atmospheric pressure. So yung value ng natin, yung B natin is ito, yung 3, yung sa point A, yung sabi ko kanina. yung 3. Tapos, yung gravity natin o yung depth doon, yung kalalim ng kalalim ng tubig is 1,050. Tapos yung gravity, di ba? Meron namang standard na yung kumbaga yung constant talaga na 9.8, di ba? Pero dito sa given, depende kasi, pero dito sa given natin is 10 yung nakalagay na gravity. So, plus atmospheric pressure. Tapos, i-times lang natin to. The total is 8,400 plus atmospheric pressure. Tapos dito, di ba, sabi ko kanina, kunin natin yung difference. So, PB minus PA. So, equals to, di ba yung total yung last is 31,500.
Girl, pwede na mag-down sa sasbuaw.
31,500.
Pabagarma na ka? May pupudala ng kwarta.
18 plus atmospheric pressure tapos minus 8,400. Continue lang natin yung topic natin na sa tapos plus PPM. Tapos ito yung total, yung 23,000 kasi ang 31,500 minus 8,400 is equals to 23,100. So, paano ba natin nakuha ito? Na i-combine na terms na natin para makancel itong si positive ATF at si positive atmospheric pressure at saka si positive atmospheric pressure. Para yung maiwan is 31,500 minus 8,400 is equals to 23,100.
6. Community linkages and professional engagement consist of 4 strands. Establishment of learning environments that are responsive to community context. Engagement of parents and the wider school community in the educative process. Professional ethics and school policies and procedures. 7. The last domain, personal growth and professional development, contains 5 strands: philosophy of teaching, dignity of teaching as a profession, professional links with colleagues, professional reflections, and learning to improve practice and professional development goals.